Okay, so first step you want to do is you're gonna file your nails very gently. This is gonna buff out the debris and everything you want out of your nail. The next thing you're gonna do is, once you line up all the nails that you're gonna use, buff the inside of the nail. Now the reason and the purpose for this part is you want to make sure that once you glue it together, it's gonna stick. Now this part is very important because if not, it's not gonna hold. And that's why a lot of people's nails fall out and pop out. So definitely go ahead and buff that out real quick. And then next step, you're going to use the pH bonder. Now this one is going to pretty much clean all the dust, all the oils off your nail, because you want that out. Step 2, the primer is going to help, keep the glue attached and adheres to it, which is a big part you definitely want to do. Next thing is going to be the extended gel. Extended gel, instead of glue, obviously you're going to use this one. And this one is in the clear. Now I did notice I was running out, so I only did the thumb with the clear, but I did the rest with my other extended gels. They come in different colors, but this one you're gonna put one on your nail, a thin coat, and obviously one on the falsie nail, and then you're gonna also add a little bit more on the falsie in a second. And right here you see me, I'm just putting it on because I like to just cover the whole little base. And then I'm going to go ahead and put more glue, the extended gel, on the tip itself. Now you want to put just a good decent amount. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it on my real nail, pressing down ever so lightly. And as you see, I'm struggling with the new light. This is one of the new lights I had bought because the other one had messed up. But it's going to go underneath the LED light. And on the LED light, it's going to be on there for 60 seconds. Has an automatic timer. Once it's done, it's going to be already attached to my nail. And you're going to feel a little bit of warm sensation, but you should not feel any burning. Some people do say they feel a burning. That means your nail is really sensitive. That means you file a little bit too much down on your real nail. Right now is just doing the little thing. Let it go ahead and warm up all the way so it can cure the nail gel. So remember, you want to make sure that it's cured all the way. So that one is doing its job right now. And then after this, you're going to go ahead and cut to the size of your choice. I always like to get long nails because I can always cut it short or long depending on how I feel. After this, you're going to want to buff the top of the nail. Now this is also important because you want to make sure you have a little rough surface, so when you put your nail color of choice, it's going to stick and stay. So I was thinking about doing like a milky white this time, so that's what I am doing. I'm doing the milky white on top. Just go ahead, thin layer is the best, so make sure you do. Okay, on this part you're going to add the top coat. So now you're going to go ahead and do a good nice even layer. And I love this one because this one is a non-wipe. So this one, once you put it on the light, on the LED light, and you take it out, it's going to be dry. And you can already use your nails, which I definitely love. So right now, I put the top coat. It is, go ahead on the LED, and it's curing at the moment for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to go ahead, now that they're done, I'm going to go ahead and put the For You oil. Now, I love Tia's oil because it's good for hair, it's good for everything. And I love it for my nails and my hands, which I love. And you got to take care of those cuticles, nails, and everything. Just feel nice and fresh. And look at my nails, you guys. Look how cute they look. Quick and easy. I highly recommend Apres nails. They are amazing, very affordable. Think about how much money you can save. Boom.